In this video, I will show you how typing CAPTCHA is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Get paid $4 per minute. There are 3 steps to this strategy that you must follow to earn $4 per minute just by typing CAPTCHA hours online. First time, I will show you the top site for low typing where they pay us. The second step is that we will show you the fastest way to cache this website. And the third step is that I will show you the new method that can help you earn more money than anyone else. Now, the first website we are going to talk about today is called captcah.com. This website is not the highest paying website, but later we will show you one that pays the most. So make sure we stay tuned as I rank this website from the lowest paying website to the highest paying. I guarantee that you will definitely want to start with this because you can make a lot of money this way. This is a very good website to start with. As you can see here, start at $1 for 1,000 solved CAPTCHAs. There are many businesses out there that work on computers, and as we all know, computers can't solve this type of CAPTCHAs, but humans can. That's why they use this method to make sure we're not robots. So they need you to find CAPTCHA for them. You can get paid instantly. Getting started with this is very easy. No special experience or skill or required. The second website is called megatypers.com. As you can read it here, easy works and easy money. Get more than $200 credit every month just by typing CAPTCHA. This website is very reliable. They have people all over the world joining their website to solve CAPTCHA. Again, this is only the second highest paying website that pays us by solving CAPTCHA, currently through various payment options. If you scroll down, you can find here many people from all over the world who are giving their opinion about this word, about how to make money use this website. Is if you want to learn more about these types of sites that pay you just by typing CAPTCHA, you can visit moneyconnection.com. This platform will show you more websites where you can earn more money with the same method, just typing CAPTCHA. It is exactly the same way that you get money just by typing CAPTCHA.